What's going on, guys? COCarDude here with another video. Today I'm working on a 2017 McLaren 570S. We're doing a bit of a paint correction and ceramic coating along with tint and clear mask. That's already done. The tint's already on there and the clear mask is on there. Got the clear mask on this back bumper. You really can't tell that it's on there. You can kind of see right here where it's still kind of curing up. There we go. XPEL Clear Mask on here, which honestly, in my opinion, is kind of the best that there is out there as far as protection goes. 10-year warranted film, and it holds up really well. And took care of a couple paint chips, and then we also got this door, this door section on both sides taken care of. So now we're just kind of cleaning it up, doing some prep work, polishing, and getting it ready to coat. We're going to put a cheap coating on here because the guy doesn't plan to keep it all that long. So should be interesting to kind of put a weird cheap coating on a expensive car, but I think he'll be happy with it. Honestly, I'll probably just put the Better Adams coating on there, which isn't really anything that high end, but might as well put a 7-year coating on it instead of the cheap 2-year coating, because I don't know, it just doesn't seem right on a car like this. But it does have some weird issues going on, so it needs to go to the dealer. Just a lot of weird, I think it's locked up right now, but the key fob's having some issues and these windows aren't going up. Some weird things going on with it. But overall, pretty dang cool car. Got it all cleaned up. Battery's dead. So it's always nice. 22,000 miles on it. Yeah, buddy.